Hey there folks, in this video I'm going to be unboxing the newly released Akai MPK Mini Mark 4. I'm upgrading from the Mark 2. The Mark 3 didn't really have too many upgrades that enticed me to upgrade, but the Mark 4 definitely does. So I'm looking forward to using this new keyboard in place of my Mark 2. If this is your first time here, my name is Adrian with Project Ramos, and on this channel I cover the tech topic. Sometimes we do unboxings, sometimes we do product reviews, and also opinion. And in this case, we're going to be unboxing this music tech. Let's go ahead and jump into it. Amazon just delivered this morning, so I'm excited to get this opened up and start testing it. So let's take a look and see what we get inside. All right, here it is. And first thing we want to look at is the accessories here. So we do get a quick start guide. And we get a USB Type-C to a USB Type-C cable. What's nice about this cable is that it has a right angle on one side, so that way it doesn't stick straight out from the keyboard. It goes off to the side, which is nice. All right, has a little protective film on the keys. That's always satisfying. All right, here it is. We have, let's see here, 8 encoder knobs. Then we have the transport controls here. We have some navigation here, more navigation buttons here. Then we have the MPC style pads, little encoder knob here, pitch bend, modulation, and octave change buttons there. Keys feel nice, has a nice bounce back there. Let's see, on the back side here we've got a MIDI out. We also have a sustain connector there for a sustain pedal, and then the USB Type-C connector here. So being that we have a right angle USB Type-C cable that came with the unit, that's how it goes there. So it exits out this way. That way it doesn't protrude through the back, which is nice. Underneath, nothing crazy there. We do have rubber feet here. Here, and here to help stabilize it. And the front there looks nice. All right, now in comparison, here's the Mark II. It's a little bit bigger than the Mark II, so let me see if I can get these lined up. That's a little bit bigger. So slightly bigger. The pads seem to be a little more compact, but that looks to be a design choice to be able to fit these buttons here. And then the transport controls there. The Mark II does not have transport controls. So, and these knobs here are encoder knobs, so they're infinite, whereas on the Mark II, they were not. It had a minimum and a maximum. One of the upgrades that I was looking forward to is this right here, the pitch bend and modulation. The Mark II has this little joystick type, and the Mark IV has the more traditional wheels. So this makes it easier to use there. The pads look like yeah, they feel really nice, even though they're a little bit smaller, which is not a big deal for me. And we also get a little OLED display that we didn't have on the Mark II. And the Mark II has the sustain connection here, but one of the things that bugged me was the USB connection. It was one of those old printer type of connections, not the modern style USB type C, and everything has moved over to USB type C, so it was a little bit of a pain to have to bring out a legacy USB cable and adapter just to be able to use it. But this one comes with the USB type C, which is a big plus, at least for me, so that I don't have to use different adapters to be able to connect it to my system. So there it is, folks. That is the unboxing of the new Akai MPK Mini Mark IV. One of the things that I'm looking forward to testing out is the app/plugin that the Mark IV comes with premium sounds, where the Mark II didn't come with that package with it. But this does. It gives you a download to be able to trigger sounds from an app or plugin that works with this keyboard. So I'm looking forward to testing that out. And if you have any questions about the keyboard, go ahead and drop your questions in the comments and I will get back to you there. All right, folks, that's going to do it for me on this video. Don't forget to subscribe. That way you get notified the next time I upload a new video. And on that note, I will see you on the next one.